this video or even where to begin, really. But I know something needs to change. I don't know if it's me. I don't know if it's the way I'm presenting. I don't know if it's my editing. I don't know. I know the title seems a little melodramatic, but I got your attention, didn't it? I've done more resin and wood videos lately because that's what I thought my viewers wanted. Apparently it's not, because my views are way down. So I'm not going to be doing very many resin videos here in the future. And the main reason is because it's just too costly. It cost me, I'm not sponsored by any resin company, so it cost me between $200 and $250 to do a resin video. Not all of that is direct cost. Some of it is the labor that I put into the project and the editing. Before I retired, I was making basically $50 an hour to do the same thing I'm doing here, making educational videos. But if I pay myself $20 an hour, it takes me 8 to 10 hours to edit a 15-20 minute video. Even if I pay myself $20 an hour, that's $160. And then I've got the overhead and expenses, utilities, etc. Yeah, I'm going to be out here in the shop anyway, but it takes me 3 times as long to do a project if I'm videoing it than if I don't. Largely because I've got to deal with, where's the camera? What kind of view do you have? I've got to stop and do this and think about the viewers. Now, don't get me wrong, I enjoy what I do. I really do, or I wouldn't be doing it. And I'm not begging for money. Don't get that idea at all. If it was about money, I would do the Patreon thing and do the join button like so many other channels are doing. That's not me. That's not what I'm doing this for. I'm not doing this for money. I'm doing this to grow my channel. I'm doing it for views. I'm not getting the views. So something's got to change. And I don't know what it is. I really don't know what it is. I don't know what to do. Go back to simple turnings and doing bowls and vases and birdhouse ornaments, or what? I'm perplexed. I'm frustrated. And when you get perplexed and frustrated, it's not fun to do what you're doing. It's just not. I may back off on turning videos up altogether for a while. I don't know. I've got one in the pipe I've got to finish. You saw the precursor to that if you watched my last video. Some of you did. Now, I have my loyal viewers out there, and I know you're going to come watch, and I appreciate it. I really do. Honestly, you have no idea how much I appreciate my loyal viewers and subscribers. I can't thank you all enough. I really can't. But like that river platter I did, when you have what you think is a really cool idea and turn out what is going to be, when I put the new finish on it, what is going to be an absolutely gorgeous platter, drooped wing, square platter, purple river running through the middle of it, and you get 200 views for it hurts. I mean, yeah, it's only been 3 days, but I've had stupid wood turning videos get 1,500 views in 3 days. So I don't know. I just don't know. If y'all have ideas, if you think you know what I need to do or what I need to improve, by all means, leave me a comment and let me know. Because I'm just not having much fun with this YouTube thing anymore. I want to. I'm still going to be doing my scrolling channel because I do all kinds of weird things over there. The Messy Scroller will have scrolling videos, and I've still got a bunch of those I want to do. I like scrolling. It's a good break from turning from time to time. I love doing my flat work, my router carve signs, all of that stuff. I enjoy cooking and doing those videos. It doesn't take long to shoot them, and it doesn't take long to edit them. I do it all in the house on my phone, and that's easy peasy. So those are kind of cool. Something I may do more of, I've been thinking seriously about this, is doing short pop-up lives on my turning channel when I'm just out here in the shop turning something that I'm not planning on doing a full video edit of. You won't get to see the finished project most likely because it takes me longer than an hour, which I'm not planning on doing lives for much more than an hour or so. And it takes me longer than an hour to turn almost anything. Unless I've got pins ready to go, I can do a couple of pins in an hour, or more than that really, but I don't know. It seems like I'm rambling and I don't have a script to follow. I am rambling, and I don't have a script to follow. I'm basically venting. No, I'm not. I'm really not. I'm looking for help. I don't know what to do. The one thing I know I'm not going to do anymore is very many resin videos because it's just too costly. I love doing them. I'll still do a few here and there, but that's not going to be my concentration by any means. So I don't know. If y'all have suggestions, please leave me a comment. And forgive this rambling that seems like a rant. That's not my intent either. I just don't know what to do.